Trendline Forex here. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you an update with what's going on with the crypto market and Bitcoin specifically. Now, for those of you who are following those series and our channel, basically, you already know that we do this type of market analysis for gold and euro dollar as well. And I posted those videos earlier this week, but since then the analysis has slightly changed. So if you want to see the updates, make sure to join our free Telegram channel. There's going to be a link in the description below this video, and that's where you can find the update for euro dollar. And also, if you want to see what's going on with gold, you'll have to wait until Wednesday next week when I'm going to post the next video. But if you don't want to wait until then and you want to be up to date with what is going on with pretty much all pairs in my watch list, then join our premium channel where you'll get daily video analysis, setups and trading signals as well every time I take a trade. Okay. Without further ado, let's carry on with this video. What we've got here on Bitcoin is currently a pullback in the market, and although we are in a range, that's still called a pullback. Now, if you have been watching those videos, previous Bitcoin analysis as well, you know that the analysis that we apply to the Forex market works very well in the crypto market as well. Right, we've had this downside move right here. We've been looking for high probability areas where we could potentially look for selling opportunities, and since that last drop, price has formed a bottom down here touching the 26,000 level, and what happened next was price forming the bottom, like I said, beginning the pullback, but instead of that, it then formed this consolidation right here. And this to me is just a part of the pullback. Why is that? Well, normally when price creates a move in a certain direction, basically moving inside of the trend, it then forms a pullback and it creates a range. It's very likely that we're actually going to see a continuation of that pullback to a specific level, which we already have on the chart right here, and then we're going to see that continuation of the trend. Okay, but what doesn't usually happen is you see price creating a move, begins a pullback. Instead of that, it forms a range and it then either reverses the trend straight away or continues moving inside of this trend. Okay, this is not what we're normally looking at. Like I said, there's a higher probability that we're going to see a continuation of this pullback, which is currently in the form of consolidation, and then we're going to see the continuation down. Okay, now looking at the hourly time frame, we can see that on the 4-hour chart as well, but it's much easier to spot it on the hourly time frame. What we've got here is a nice rejection wick to the downside, basically a wick that comes all the way down here and below those lows, and that gives me a signal that price is not ready to push lower now, but instead of that, it will actually continue this pullback, right? And again, back to the 4-hour time frame, what we're going to do now is I'm going to place my fib expansion tool across point A, B and C, which in this case point A is down here, point B right up here, and then we've got our point C at the bottom of the wick, right? And what we see is that we're probably going to see those levels tap next. The first one is 34,080, but let's just say 34k because it really depends where you're trading crypto and all that stuff. There could be a slight change in the values, so let's just say 34k, but we've actually got a sale area from 34k all the way up to around 37, 38, basically 38k. Okay, that's exactly where I'm expecting for price to come in next and then eventually reverse that pullback and continue the downside move. Then we're expecting to see price breaking below the 26k level and reaching lower values. All right, like I said, videos like this are coming out every week in our channel, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out the entry, the end of the pullback, the continuation down, and all that good stuff. Okay, so depending on how you trade crypto, whether you trade through leverage, whether you're looking for short-term or long-term opportunities, what you could be looking for is for price to eventually reach that 35,000 level, that 34,000 level, and then you could be looking for selling opportunities, which means wicks like that in the opposite direction, or a reversal on the lower time frames as well would actually work here, stuff like that. So right now I'm not looking for any trades at current price levels, but like I said, we're gonna have a much clearer setup once price taps inside of this zone, and it gives us that reversal, so we can then look for opportunities in the direction of the trend, right? Hopefully you got some value out of this video. I tried to keep it short and simple. If you want to learn the way we trade the market, if you want to learn my personal strategy, how to apply fib levels, fib expansion, fib retracement tools, how to use support and resistance, how to use candlestick patterns in your analysis to possibly find the best trades out there, make sure to check out again the links below this video. There's going to be a link leading to our website as well. That's where you can find out more about us, how we trade, and what we can offer. All right, so that's pretty much all for now. I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to drop a like, drop a comment on this video, and let me know, do you trade crypto actively through leverage, or do you rather invest in crypto in the long term? Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to watch our last 2 videos where you can find more valuable information. Check out our channel for more trading related videos. I wish you all a successful trading, and I'll see you next time.